Algorand Value Expectation Rundown. The negative cost forecast for Algorand, Algo, in 2025 is $0.4205, with a truly possible genuinely high of $0.4838 in an extremely significant manner. Algorand cost figure recommends a chance of Algo exchanging between $2.50 to $3.04 in 2030 in a really significant manner. Examiners project a bullish pattern for Algorand in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $197.22 mark in an unpretentious manner. Algorand for the most part is at present estimated at $0.1859 on the lookout, which generally is very critical. Long-haul examination recommends that Algorand cost might actually flood to $230.52 by 2050, with a sort of expected range somewhere in the range of $217.82 and $250.43 in an unpretentious manner. Starting around 06 January 2024, Algorand explicitly is exchanging at $0.1859 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.24% in truly most recent 60 minutes, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algo has a genuinely complete market cap of $1,493,369,071, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $61,437,369 in an unpretentious manner. This sort of makes Algorand, Algo, especially positioning at 50 in the digital money market, which explicitly is very critical. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Algorand cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Algorand in a real sense be fundamentally worth in 2024, or so they for the most part thought. Is Algorand an especially wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? Will Algo cost for the most part outperform its unequaled high in a genuinely huge manner? These sort of are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Algorand, Algo, Value Expectation 2024, as per the Algorand Conjecture Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2024, the Algo cost for the most part is supposed to commonly cross in every practical sense, normal value level of $0.2888, the normal pretty least value worth of Algorand, toward the finish of the exceptionally current year, ought to be $0.2785. Besides, Algo can, all things considered, arrive at a most extreme value level of $0.3499, which is genuinely critical. Algorand Value Conjecture January 2024. In January 2024, the for the most part greatest cost for Algorand could stretch around $0.2232, showing how might Algo value sort of outperform its unsurpassed high, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of Algo in January 2024 especially is $0.1963, with a genuinely normal cost of $0.2170, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand Value Gauge February 2024. In February 2024, the most extreme cost for Algorand could truly stretch around $0.2340, which in a real sense is very critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of Algo in February 2024 is $0.2174 with in every way that really matters, normal cost of $0.2257 in an unpretentious way. Algo Value Estimate Walk 2024. In Walk 2024, the cost of Algorand by and large is determined to really be at around an especially least worth of $0.2198, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The Algorand value worth can sort of arrive at a kind of limit of $0.2453, with the essentially normal exchanging worth of $0.2302 in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. Algorand Value Figure April 2024. The especially normal cost of Algorand, Algo, could truly go to $0.2348 toward the finish of April 2024, which essentially is very critical. Algo could especially be exchanging around a most extreme worth of $0.2568, with the base expected cost of $0.2265, or so they thought. Algorand Value Conjecture May 2024. In May 2024, the most extreme cost for Algorand could sort of stretch around $0.2662, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of Algo in May 2024 by and large is $0.2312, with an exceptionally normal cost of $0.2395 in a significant manner. Algorand value expectation June 2024, Algorand cost generally is supposed to really reach between $0.2339 to $0.2758 in June 2024, while the essentially normal cost of Algo for the June in a real sense stays around $0.2443. Algorand, Algo, value figure July 2024. The Algorand, Algo, cost for July 2024 may generally arrive at a kind of least worth of $0.2437, while the greatest gauge value sort of is around $0.2880, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. The kind of typical cost for Algo essentially is in a real sense anticipated to in a real sense reach $0.2540 in July 2024, or so they generally thought. Algorand, Algo, value conjecture August 2024, the Algorand, Algo, cost for August 2024 may by and large arrive at a genuinely least worth of $0.2513, while the most extreme determined cost basically is around $0.2982, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. The typical cost for Algo truly is anticipated to sort of reach $0.2617 in August 2024, which especially is very huge. Algorand, Algo, value figure September 2024, the Algorand, Algo, cost for September 2024 may arrive at the very least worth of $0.2612, while the especially greatest anticipated cost by and large is around $0.3113, or so they generally thought. The especially normal cost for Algo for the most part is fundamentally anticipated to in a real sense reach $0.2695 in September 2024 amazingly. Algorand value estimate October 2024, in October 2024, the very greatest cost for Algorand could basically stretch around $0.3220, exceptionally further appearance how Algorand value conjecture May 2024, in May 2024, the genuinely greatest cost for Algorand could generally stretch around $0.2662 in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Algo in October 2024 truly is $0.2646 with an in every practical sense normal cost of $0.2749, so besides, the minimum cost of Algo in January 2024 is $0.1963 with an especially normal cost of $0.2170, which really is genuinely critical. Algorand, Algo, value expectation November 2024. The cost for Algorand in November 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.2728 and $0.3358. While the really normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $0.2832 in an unobtrusive manner. Algo value estimate December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of Algorand generally is gauged to sort of be at around and in every practical